Hello everyone, welcome. In this video, we will see one of the features given by the TagMango. It is known as a level up feature. It is available for the ultimate users, which is a top plan in the TagMango, highly used by top coaches to upscale their coaching business, majorly from silver to diamond and gold to diamond. So friends, in this video, I will walk you through the level up dashboard and how to use the dashboard for best results if you are a ultimate plan user, and how to scale and some of the applications we will see at the end of the video. Let me go through the level up. The level up is available in the center of the page. So click on that one. Then it shows following environment. In the left side of the environment, we have this dashboard. So once you click on the dashboard, you will get this environment, a default environment. Then we have productivity. Here we have habits. So you can give the habits. Well, these are customized habits. So you can give each and everything. We can explore that in some other video. I am old member of this ultimate plan. So I have challenges, which is a old one, and they updated new challenge, that is challenge 2.0. So from here we can create that challenge like weekly, monthly, and according to our requirement. If you're a new member using this ultimate plan, you will get only challenge 2.0. Then we have data response and form customization, how to take the data from the users. So friends, if you observe here, these are the checkpoints. So if you see onboarding checklist, so like this, we can take some data inputs from the students. So get started. So there will be some questions they will ask. You can give like this. So like this, we should do each and everything and collect the data from the students. So this is the checklist. Friends, later we have create event who can join in our members, that you can also mention. Event link you can add, schedule that event, upload the event, upload the thumbnail for that event and description. So like this, we can create one event and share that link to your existing members. Or from here, they can also see if there are any events, they can check here. So from here, we can also do the charity. So you can add the charity data. So we can mention 1,000 rupees, some of the organization name and date. So like this, our details come here. We can observe or motivate our students to do donations. This is the quiz. So friends, this is the one of the best thing achievements are certification. So from here we can create a number of levels. So level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4 like this. If you see here, there are 10 levels are already created by one of the coach. This is the third level. If I want to create for my students, I can also give the data. Let us take one example. Right now I'm in level 2. So it is assumed as a learner. So conditions we should add. The first condition is get the 250 points. So that we should mention here in the description. We should add the points here and we should mention here. Let me add 1 point. Community points. Get 250. Second condition again add here. Habit. Read. Goal code. And, and journal writing. So whatever the habits we have given that you can mention. Get 500 points. So webinar attendance it is 2000 points. Finance to weekly calls. Get 2000. While conducting weekly call, you can mock the attendance by giving random points like 250 or 500. Another condition, upload proofs regarding completion, certificate, or any activity and get 500 points. So like this friends, you need to give some conditions and publish. Friends, it is asking extra points after completion of this achievement. So you can award some of the points which are reflecting in the main dashboard. Once the student completes this level 2, you can assign 5,000 points, then save as a draft and finally publish. So friends, it is asking for thumbnails and include badges and titles. So include the badge. So we should add some badge learner and select members from the level 3 members like diamond members. And finally, so it is published. So it is activated. Similarly, we can edit the next level. Like this, we can do up to 10 challenges or 10 levels to motivate the students. So friends, this is the dashboard what we have seen in the level up and usage friends. In the dashboard, they are going to see their points. It's totally about engagement with the students. How the students are engaging our courses, our platforms, each and everything we can see. If you come here, it shows the some points and ranks. In that part of the video, we will see how to scale. So friends, if the students are silver members and diamond members, the level up is locked for them. Once they click on that level up feature, it will show as like this. Whatever the text we will give here, it will show here. So you can customize this text and you can give this content or you can give some of the links also. So totally it is in our control. So from here, we can scale different members to level up feature like diamond membership. This is the scaling advantage with the help of level up. So friends, I hope you got some points. And if you love the video, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.